Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain what is CAD customization and what is CAD automation. Okay, so basically CAD customization is automate design process, eliminating repetitive tasks in designing in similar class of project and take advantage of software of efficiently cut down design lead time. It means like customization means, suppose for example I'll give the one example. User is asking me to create one gear, but every time he changing his requirement, like he's telling me I want this time number of teeth is 30, I want module as a 2.5, I want angle, I want shaft, different requirement. And after some days again he will come back, again he will ask me to design new uh, gear. Okay, so in that case CAD developer will create the application. So user has to put just few inputs, like for example once you open this UI, you see just you have to pass few inputs. I'll give 30 as a number of teeth. Module I can select 2. Here I'll give angle 20, thickness is 20, position is 0, and I want this shaft as well. So I'll give the shaft diameter as a 20 diameter, and key width is 5, depth also 5, and I want to create spur gear here. So I'll show you how it will be created, that 3D model within a few seconds. So let's draw it. So we have to select here this enter chamfer in S direction. Okay, so we have selected this option. So with chamfer we want, so X direction and Y direction how much chamfer we want. I'll show you that one also. Let's say I'll give here 3 and 5, so 3. So let's draw. It will create, like you see this per gear is created, right? For as a designer it will take a lot of time, even for expert also, to draw this type of gear. It will take, I think, at least 15 or 20 minutes. So within a 3 second this 3D model loaded, right? It got created. So that is the power of customization and automation. So basically it will save the lot of time of designer, and it will save the lot of cost as well. So the highly competitive environment makes it necessary to reduce time and money spent in designing phases while maintaining high standards of product quality. The goal is to make CAD software more efficient, user friendly, and align with specific design practices of the user or organization. Okay, so we'll see here what is benefit of CAD customization. Okay, efficiency and time savings, consistency and improve collaboration, consistency and improve collaboration, enhance creativity. So efficiency and time saving, customizing CAD tools reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing user to focus on other aspects of their work. Okay. So this efficiency translates to faster project completion and increase throughout. So why nowadays industries are focusing for more customization, more customization. So nowadays industry wants to move with automation and customization. So they have more benefit. They will uh, customization and automation will increase the productivity, efficiency. It will save the cost. It will save the time. So that is the benefits of CAD customization. So consistency and improve collaboration. Customization ensure consistency and reduce the chances of error. Okay, so suppose I will give one example here. I made some I did some mistake So instead of angle 10, I given 9.8. Okay. So those scenario will happen. Again, user will come back to designer. Again, he will ask. Then it will spend a lot of time. So what if we customize that tool? What it will happen? User will put his value as per his requirement, as per his project, and 3D model will generate automatically. Okay, so by customizing CAD tools to integrate seamlessly with other software, collaboration between applications becomes smoother. Customization fades the gap between different tools, enabling of collaborative environment among team members using different applications. Enhance creativity, automation of routine tasks, and removal of unnecessary complexity enable users unleash their creativity. A customized CAD environment enable innovation, allowing designers and engineers to explore new ideas without being distributed by complex and time-consuming process and tasks. So those are the benefits of CAD customization. Okay, so we'll directly jump here to the CAD customization. We'll take example of that CAD software. It's a CATIA Customization and Automation. Okay, you will see that picture there. We mention everything like their positioning according required skills and training. So CATIA we can customize with the help of four ways. Like one is the UDF, user defined function, knowledgeware, automation, and CAA. So in user defined function, it user has to know, user should know CATIA V5 basics. Okay, for knowledgeware, user should know basic CATIA as well as some EKL scripting, CAT rules like that. And for automation, users should know CATIA V5 automation API, Visual Basic Language, and basic CATIA as well. And CA, he should know CA V5, C++ with COM concept, and C++ object oriented programming. If some user wants to customize CA with the help of Java, then you have to developer should know Java language and basic CATIA. So okay, uh, CATIA customization compatibility. What is that compatibilities here? For CATIA knowledgeware, capture knows how we should know, we should have the knowledge of language like EKL. This is the rule based engineering. In CATIA VB automation, we can do automated tasks, we can save a lot of time. We should know here visual basic scripting, automate time consuming tasks. Of it will perform necessary quality check on data. For CAA customization, application customization, C++ API. Okay, here is the some differences. Okay, here is the some differences for knowledge CATIA knowledgeware, CATIA VB automation, CATIA customization. In knowledgeware, captured known how, knowledge language, example EKL, rule based engineering. In CATIA VB automation, it will automated task, VB scripting, automate time consuming tasks, perform necessary quality checks on the data. In CAA, application customization, C++ API, user interface creation, use existing feature. With the help of CA, we can create a new feature, we can use existing feature, we can use geometric operation. So this is the few comparison here in knowledgeware, CATIA Automation and CATIA CAA Customization. So here uh, we can create new application in knowledgeware, we can create new application in CATIA Automation, we can create in new application in CA as well. Extend the PPR. In CATIA knowledgeware, we cannot extend PPR. The same thing we cannot do in automation, but here is the more beneficial. With the CA customization, we can extend that PPR, connect to an application. In CATIA knowledgeware, we cannot connect with the different application. The we cannot connect with the application. In CATIA automation, we can connect, yes. In CA customization, we can connect. What required skill we need? So here in CATIA knowledgeware, CATIA expert user, in CATIA automation, VB developer, VB.NET he should know, the VBA language that he should know. In CATIA CAA developer, he should know C++, COM object, and object-oriented programming. So development cost for CA knowledgeware, it's a very low, and for CATIA automation also it's medium, and for CATIA CAA it's a high. License for build, yes, it's required license. For a CATIA automation, we don't require that license. It will come in default bunch of CATIA package, and in CATIA CA customization, we need licenses. For license for runtime, yes, for knowledgeware we need, and in automation, CATIA automation, it depends on some API. If we use some CA API, that time we need that licenses. The same thing with the help of CA. Here in with the help of CATIA automation, the more beneficial, it's very low budget, it's easy to maintain. We have to purchase just CATIA application. We can do automation in CATIA. But in CA, we have to purchase Visual Studio license, we have to purchase Red Tool license, we have to purchase CA license, different license, and it's a cost. It's having a very high cost. So industry is having very few licenses. Mostly some organization like a big organization, but they have only 4 5 licenses. That's it, because its cost is very high and maintenance cost also is the very high. Okay, in this picture you will see this is the CA encyclopedia. If you have installed proper installation in your system, CA installation, so you will see this map encyclopedia in install directory in CA doc. So you have to go, you have to read each and everything, like from right bottom you see there guides, tools, 3D visualizations, user interface, data administration, security, middleware. Here GSM and tessellation, geometry, topology, mathematics. So you have to go with this documentation. You have to read carefully. Everything will be explained very well. So just need to explain, and we can develop with the help of that documentation. Okay guys, like, subscribe, and hit bell icon. That's it. Thank you. Thank you very much.